Welcome to Updawg-Yoga. My name is Emily. I'm going to guide you through a yoga practice today. Let's start in child's pose. We'll take a few deep breaths there to connect and tune out the noise going on around us. So start in tabletop on your hands and knees. And you can bring your knees together and sink your hips back and reach your arms forward. I prefer like a wider stance in my child's pose. So big toes together, knees wide is another option. And you can reach your arms forward and rest on your forehead. And then all you have to do here is breathe. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Keep breathing. And then when you're ready, come up to tabletop on your hands and knees for cat-cow. Inhale, round your spine. Bring your chin to your chest. Press the floor away. And then on your exhale, drop your belly. Let your spine grow saddle back. Look forward. Try it again. Inhale, press your hands down, round your spine, chin to your chest. Exhale, drop your belly. One more time. And then come back to a flat back. Walk your hands forward. Tuck your toes under. Lift your hips. Downward facing dog. So instead of feet together, take your feet as wide as your mat. Bend your knees and drop your head. Look to your knees. Take a few breaths here. You can move around if you'd like. And then come back to stillness. Inhale, plank, shift forward. So you're at top of the push-up, your shoulders are over your wrists. And then exhale, downward facing dog, press up and back. Try it again, inhale, plank. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank, shift forward. And exhale, downward facing dog. This time, inhale, plank. On your exhale, lower to your knees, pivot your right foot out. Reach your left leg long, stretch your left arm up. So take a few breaths here, press the floor away. This is a modified side plank. If you'd like to do full side plank where you stack your feet, you can. But this is just the first one, so let's take it easy. And then come back to plank. Inhale. Exhale, side plank to the opposite side. So lower to your knees, turn your left foot out, reach your right arm up. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower to your belly this time. Inhale, cobra pose. Press your toes down. Curl your head and chest up. Keep it bending your elbows. And then exhale, lower. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, back to child's pose. So take a few breaths here to rest. This is our home base. We'll come back here again and again. Let's work on some standing poses as well. So inhale, tabletop, shift forward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up. And then exhale, low lunge. Step your right foot in between your hands. If it doesn't make it, place it there. Lower to your left knee. Inhale, crescent moon, come up. So hold and breathe here, square your hips. Pull your right hip back, left hip forward. Draw your belly in. Breath in, breath out. All right, from here, reach your right hand forward like you're gonna shake someone's hand. Pull your left hand behind you, twist away from your inner thigh. And then inhale, crescent moon, reach your arms up. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms, so tuck your back toes under, lift your back knee, lean forward. Inhale, warrior two. Spin your back heel down and reach your arms out. Look to your fingertips. Line up your feet heel to arch. Roll your right knee to your pinky toe. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale, reverse warrior. Bend your right knee. Reach your right arm up into a side bend. Look up to your thumb. And then we'll try all this on the opposite side. So inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Plant your hands. And step back. Other side. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Come into a split. Exhale, low lunge. Step your left foot in between your hands. Inhale, crescent moon. So lower to your right knee. Come up. Hold and breathe here. Pull your left hip back in space, right hip forward. So your hips are square to the front of your mat. Reach your arms up. 3 big breaths here. Inhale. Exhale, twist to your right side this time. So pull your right hand behind you. Big open twist. Inhale, crescent moon, reach your arms up. On your exhale, tuck your back toes under, lift your back knee. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Lean forward, swing your arms back, and then big transition to open. Inhale, warrior two. So right heel down, line up your feet heel to arch, and breathe here. Look to your fingertips, draw your belly in. Nice job. Inhale, reverse warrior. Bend your left knee, reach your left arm up, look up to your thumb. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog again. Plant your hands, step your left foot back. And then we'll flow again. Inhale, plank, shift forward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. This time on your exhale, side plank. So right hand is your foundation. Stack your feet, reach your arm up. You can also lower to your knee like we did on the first round. So press the floor away, hold for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, plank. Exhale, side plank to the opposite side. Left hand is your foundation. Stack your feet, reach your right arm up. Inhale. Exhale, lower to your belly, come all the way down. Inhale, cobra pose. Press your toes down, curl your head and chest up. And then exhale, lower. Inhale, tabletop on your hands and knees. Exhale, child's pose. 3 breaths here to rest. All right, from here, come up to tabletop, and then where you put your hands underneath your shoulders, this time put your elbows there. Step your feet back. Dolphin pose, walk your toes in, lift your hips up. And you can look to your knees, press the floor away. Maybe play with lifting one leg, and then lower it and switch. And then lower down. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.